Hello, this is the Harrison Avenue School Physical Education Open House presentation. My name is Estelle Sampalayo, and I'm here with Rita Beardsley and Marina Caminita. Why does your child need physical education? Well, it encourages physical activity for life. It helps prevent sickness and disease. It provides an outlet for creativity and self-expression. It develops cooperation and teamwork, builds self-confidence, provides opportunities for personal goal setting, increases personal fitness and motor skill development, reduces stress and anxiety, strengthens relationships, and boosts academic learning.
Hi, I'm Rita Beardsley. This is the Harrison Central School District's physical education mission statement to provide students with a safe and positive environment in which they acquire a foundation of motor and manipulative skills. Through this process, students will gain confidence in their ability as movers and experience the enjoyment and value that can come from physical activity. Students will learn how to successfully sustain a physically active lifestyle within the community. Some areas of learning are spatial awareness games, cooperative games, foot and hand-eye coordination games and activities, fitness and striking skills, circus arts, gymnastics, target games, rhythm and dance, and so much more. We also included activities and discussions which promote increased self esteem, self awareness, empathy, healthy habits, and an overall culture of kindness in the gym, in our school, and our community.
Hi, this is Marina Caminita. Being prepared for PE. Students must have properly fitting sneakers to participate in PE. Each student has PE every other day. Long necklaces and loose-fitting clothing articles, such as scarves, should not be worn in PE. Grading in physical education. Students are graded on a scale of 1 to 4 in the following categories: personal and social responsibility, physical skills, understanding concepts related to health and physical education. We are looking forward to having a great school year.
Bye.
Bye.